Hey y'all, it's J. Marie Louise and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Sony ZV-1 camera, so let's get into it. So I had already opened up the box because I was so excited to get this camera. I was just so excited. I wanted it so bad. But let's just dive in and let's just check everything out. So this is the box, the Sony box. And then it's got like a clip of what, a little picture, snippet of what the camera looks like. Let's open it up. Alright, it's the warranty period. I guess this is like the manual and instructions. What's this right here? Okay, so this is like I think this is like the mic cover or something. This little fuzzy piece that go on the top of the camera. Let me put that back in here. And then I guess this is like the charging port for the battery or the USB cord right here. Let's see what else this says. Just something else. Yeah, there's something else in there. See if I can get in there. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this right here is the battery. And this is the camera right here. Alright, so this is the camera. That's what it looks like. And then it flips out and it turns like that. The screen flips like that. And then I guess that little fuzzy part right here. Let's see. I don't know, it's just so weird. I don't want to break it. But how do I put it on here? Looks like it slide. Okay. Oh, it just go like this. Oh. Oh, like that. So you slide it on like that. I thought the top flipped for some whatever reason, but I guess this is the for the mic or whatever to cover it up, to block out the wind and everything. Let me see. Alright, so I go like that. And then this is like protecting the lens. So we're gonna take that off, and that's the lens. That's the fur in my hand. Okay, where's the power button? Okay, say on and off. It'll probably help if I actually put the battery in. So just give me one moment. Open. And then I guess it goes this way. All right, so I'm putting the battery in right there. This is where you, underneath is where you put the little adapter card with the memory card in it. And I don't think this came with the memory card, but I do believe I have one. So let me lock this back and let me cut it on. Oh, wrong button. There we go. Okay, so we want English. Okay, certain privacy notice. I understand. Set on creators apps. Let's just say who created that. Okay. Install creators app. Okay. So it wants me to install creators app to connect the camera through the app. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so I really didn't have to set up everything through the app. I just decided to manually do it. But yeah, the quality on here looks nice. Good quality. See, I think I'm gonna record. Oops. I think I'm gonna record like a snippet, just to do like a little demo with this, and I'm just gonna add it into this video right here. It didn't come with a memory card, but I already have one. This is like the little scan disc right here, and I have like a little memory card right here, 64 gigabytes. You probably can't see that, but it's there. So I'm just gonna take that and put it in here. Which way do it go? Did it go? No, it go this way. And then lock it back in, preparing files. Okay, so it's like this memory card has like 2 hours and 20 minutes on it. But I'm gonna go through and try to like set up the settings and everything for this, and then I'm gonna come back so I can do like a little demo with it and add it into this video to compare it with my iPhone 13, like the visuals, like the quality and everything. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm recording on the camera right now, and it looks, I like how the quality looks. It looks good. It looks good. It'll be good. This camera will be good for vlogging, so I don't have to use my phone all the time. So yeah, I like it. I like the quality of this. I'm just testing it out right now. Okay, but the frame looks good, the picture and everything. So I just got, let me adjust this real quick. Okay, but yeah, it looks good. I think we're gonna have fun with this. I'm so excited that I have this camera. Oh my god. So I can just do my vlogging with it. I can do makeup tutorials. So I tried to adjust the settings as best I could. I looked at a couple of YouTube videos, and I saw a TikTok video that I sent to one of my friends because she recently got the same camera. So I'm gonna just play with it a little bit more so I can get used to it and figure this whole thing out. But yeah, so I like this. But yeah, this is the Sony ZV-1 camera. Okay, so I forgot to show y'all, you can also zoom in and then you can zoom out. I like this little camera. It's cute. I like it. But eventually I'm going to get a case for it because I don't want the camera to get scratched up or, you know, broken or anything. So I'm going to get a case for it. I will leave a link below in the description bar with the information of where I got this camera from. I got it off Amazon, but I will leave a link below so y'all can click on it and check it out if you want to. So this is the end of my video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.